Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Bulls Club. My name is Soham. So guys, without further delay, just want to tell you that as you can see right now, Bitcoin is breaking down from this bear flag right here. Currently, Bitcoin is at about $36,400. It made a low of about $35,600 approximately, but we are seeing a small pushback towards the upside. Will we close this week within this flag? That is something we still need to wait about 3 days and 6 hours to watch. But guys, this is a breakout. If this confirms, right, if this is a confirmation, then next week we'll see a green candle and possibly a retest of the top of the bottom half of this bear flag right here. As you can see, this, what I'm talking about is if we close it right here, we may go up and retest this at about 37,000 or so, and then a possible breakdown. What could be the price target? As I have discussed earlier as well, guys, this is nothing to play around with, right? So this is a clear bear flag right here, and what we are going to do is we are going to do a quick measurement right from the top of $69,000 approximately to this breakout point right here. What is the breakout coming in at? The breakout is at about $37,000, right? And what we are going to do is we are going to place this right on the breakout point right here, and we are going to get ourselves a price target, guys. So as of this point of time, the price target is coming in at about the $20,000 mark, which was the previous all-time high back here in 2017, right? As you can see right here in 2017, this was the previous all-time high, and we are coinciding with this high right here, guys. Okay, so that could be a great buying opportunity as well, but we are not gonna go there at one go. Please understand this. This is gonna be a long time, right? This is gonna take a little bit of time, and then finally it may take a few weeks when we go there. But yeah, for my technical analysis, we are going there for sure. There's one more thing very important that I want to show you, that this level is actually coinciding with this moving average. What is this moving average? This is the 210 week moving average that you can see, and every time in the bear market we have found a support in this bear market, in this moving average. As you can see very clearly, back in 2015 we found support. Here in 2018 we found support. In the COVID crash itself also we found support, and I won't be surprised if we find support on this 210 week, which is coming in at about the range of $19,000 or $20,000 approximately as well, right? But guys, will I be waiting till this point and then buying all my Bitcoin? To be honest, I won't be doing that. At every single interval, I'm gonna buy a little bit of Bitcoin, guys. What are the intervals? So the first support is at about this range, right? The range that I'm talking here is at about the range of 30 or 31,000. This is the range that I'm talking about, right? You can see right here there are multiple level of supports and resistances, and if we just extend this as well, this is one support line where I'm gonna buy a little bit of my Bitcoin. This is coming in at about $31,000. Then a little bit more I'm gonna buy at about this range right here. Let me show it to you again. This is another range that I'm gonna buy. So the range is coming in at about, yeah, at about the $20,000, guys. So this is very critical level. So this is the zone that I am gonna keep on buying and accumulating. Of course, we are not gonna go there at one single go. Please keep that in mind. Won't be surprised if we get a bounce from this particular level of $32,000 approximately, right? $31,000 or $32,000. That is a massive support, guys. Please keep that in mind. And yeah, I'm gonna add a few Bitcoin at around that level as well. Also, if we just pull the Fibonacci very quickly, you will be able to see that as well, right? If we quickly pull out the Fibonacci right here, on the Fibonacci, what we're gonna do is we are gonna make it on the reverse angle, and then we can see this as well, right? Yeah, so we are not gonna find support on the Fibonacci at this point of time. If the Fibonacci is to be trusted, we are going to 10,741. Highly doubtful, guys. I highly doubt that. but even if we go there, then of course then I'm gonna go all in, that's for sure. But at this point of time, very very important, very very necessary to pay close attention to these support and resistances, right? On the weekly time frame, please pay very close attention to these two levels. And yeah, if you want to short, then only short after a confirmation, right? If the following week we close the week below the levels of 37,000 approximately, then we can expect a further dip to about $33,000 or $31,000 as well, guys, right? So this is a very very important update that I wanted to share with you, so please pay very very close attention to this. Apart from this, if we pull out the moving average ribbon, you will be also able to see that we might, we are testing the 100 week currently. You can see this very very clearly right here. We might find some support on the 100 week, but previously if we look left, have the 100 week acted as a support. It acted as a support right here in about December of 2019. Then if you look further left, we'll be able to see that it hasn't held as a very good support, right? The best support is the 200 week or the 210 week. That is extremely critical, and that is the best buying zone according to me. Again, none of this is financial advice, guys, but please pay very very close attention. Mark this particular level from $31,000 to about $20,000. That is very very critical. Also, one more thing that I want to highlight is, whenever you draw a bear flag or a bull flag and you have the target, please keep your profit taking areas, or in this case if you want to buy, at about 5 to 10% above or below. In case of a bull flag, keep it below 5 or 10% below the target, and in case of a bear flag, keep it at around 5 or 10% above the target. So here the target is at about $20,000. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 10% to it. So about $22,000 is when I'm going to buy a whole lot of Bitcoin as well, guys. So this is extremely important urgent update that I wanted to share with you. Also, do not panic, and from a disclaimer side of things, I have sold all my Bitcoin, guys. Okay, this is something that I wanted to share with the family. I have already sold my Bitcoin, and yeah, I am all in cash at this point of time, right? So I do not recommend you to do it, or if you want to do it, please consult someone. But yeah, for me personally, I have actually sold all of my Bitcoin. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. This was an emergency update. Stay tuned, stay blessed, take very good care of yourselves. Bye bye for now.